We are going to begin with the pandemic. Cases are soaring across our country, driven by the highly contagious Delta variant. The White House is now saying 7 states are responsible for about half of new cases and hospitalizations just in the past week.
Yeah, and some of this feels like deja vu. Hospital transmissions or admissions are on the rise. Doctors, nurses overwhelmed. Some places under strain due to staffing issues and calling the situation crisis mode.
And this morning, a vaccine mandate is planned for active duty service members. As we learn more about the timeline for booster shots and some good news, vaccination numbers are up for the 4th straight week. Victor Akendo is at a testing center in Miami. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, George. This site opening up in just moments here. Let's take you right up to our drone. Here at this site, they do both testing and vaccinations, but most of the people coming here will be coming for testing, and that's what we're seeing across the country once again. Quest Diagnostics, CVS, and Walgreens all saying they've seen an increase in demand. Walgreens testing volume doubling from June to July. The race is on this morning to contain the spread of COVID-19, with the U.S. hitting 100,000 new cases in a single day for the second time this week. Even as cases soar, massive events are taking place around the country. In Sturgis, South Dakota, 700,000 people are expected for the annual motorcycle rally, leading to fears of a super spreader event. This as hospitalizations grew from 12,000 a month ago to more than 61,000 now. Florida setting a new pandemic record high. Pediatric admissions are climbing. One of those hospitalized, 17-year-old David Espino, a high school football player, now battling COVID and pneumonia for the last 10 days.
It's been pretty scary, actually. It could get to anyone. It gets you if you're 10, if you're 60, it doesn't matter.
In Mississippi, where the state health officer says Delta is sweeping over them like a tsunami, hospital workers feeling overworked once again.
It is almost impossible to put into words the frustration that they feel.
In many places, it's not a lack of beds, but a lack of staff that's stretching hospitals thin, like at Willis-Knighton Medical Center in Louisiana.
We don't feel like we have the time to devote to the patients that we need. It's just, I'm sorry, I'm getting emotional just talking about it.
In Houston, Harris Health System in crisis mode. This 11-month-old patient sick with COVID, forced to be airlifted to another hospital because none of the pediatric hospitals in town had room.
The level of sick visits that we've seen this summer, June, July, and now August, I've never seen in 20 years of practice here in Houston.
This as officials hint there could be major developments on booster shots. A source telling ABC News the FDA is expected to reveal their plan for immunocompromised Americans by early September.
We are now working on that and will make that be implemented as quickly as possible.
Let's take you back up to our drone. Here's the line of cars snaking around the parking lot waiting to come into the site. According to an HHS document obtained by ABC News, multiple states are now asking for federal assistance. They're asking FEMA for help with staffing.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.